Hello, this is a technical analysis for Bitcoin for today, 1st of February 2024. We have a few things going on. So we'll start with the volume profile anchored from the beginning of this decade. And the important point here now is this point of control at about 42,750. And we also have those that can follow this VWAP, where basically we created about a quadruple top and price got rejected there. That's currently at 43,370, and sellers were found there. We also have this black line. It's the 20 EMA on the daily chart. 4-hourly chart now. It's around where the point of control is at about 42,700. And now that you understood this, that we're basically, the bulls need to cross up the 42,750, 43. Okay, otherwise bears are in control. That's the bottom line. Let's hide this and let's hide this. Then we've also got this bear flag. It's an upward channel broken to the downside. Okay, broken here, and now we're here. Now we may retest it. Okay, sometimes what these things do, they come down, they cross down, and then they retest. That would be another point for a short. Okay, and where are we going? Let's take back. We first target for the bears is this 41,150. That's this green line, which is the bottom of the standard deviation. And then at the lower blue line also, we've got at 40,500, more or less, or just a little bit below. I think we'll be getting there eventually. Should you join the short? First of all, that's up to you. Always trade at your own risk. Never follow. Forex Live is not investment advice. We just give opinions, and it's up to you. As always, as we say very frequently, you should know that by now in general. Now, it depends where you want to be on the probability and reward versus risk. Those might be that want to wait and possibly not get filled. That's the risk. Can wait for about 42,650 or so, and then go for a short. Okay, that would be looking something like this. Let me show it to you. Then the advantages is that you can put your stop very, very tight. Okay, I don't like too tight, especially on Bitcoin. Okay, but you can keep it tight and then go all the way here. Then you get a staggering 8-to-1 reward versus risk. That's why you see it 8.13. Those that want to see the exact trade idea. So the entry is at 42,662. The stop is less than 0.5% above it. So the stop is at 42,844. And the profit for the short, exiting the short, is 41,178. Of course, it is advisable also midway, which is close to these lows at about 40,900. You can exit half. Okay, so that's the deal with that. And those that want to, for example, try to join the short before, it's risky, especially on Bitcoin. But even if I joined now, okay, let's put the price, the entry level at what it is now, 42,041. Okay, and I'm going again to that target that I mentioned, or just above it. Then see, I have here a 1.97, and Is it good enough? Then let's look at my stop. My stop would be above the 20 EMA, not yet where the retest is, so I'm exposed. But it's still legit. I can actually go, okay, I'm not gonna go, price is not gonna go to the 20 EMA. Let's say that's my premise. And then I have a 2.67 to 1. That's very legitimate. I'm risking 0.78% and to gain a 2.08%. That's a 2.67 reward versus risk. Okay. I wouldn't be buying Bitcoin now if you're a long-term holder. And for that to happen, it needs to re-enter that bear channel that it's broken into. And clearly, bears for me are in control. If you're a bull or looking to be a bull and looking for a confirmation, I would be waiting for 2 consecutive daily candles to close above the POC, which is at about 42,700 or so. Okay. Even then, you're a bit of risk with the VWAP, but let's say that's the minimum requirement. Okay. If you clear the VWAP, then we're probably going over here to, or at least to this green line at 45,450. Trade at your own risk. Hope that's been helpful. And do come to Forex Live for additional perspectives. There's other people with other opinions. You always see original content here, unique views not seen anywhere else on the web. Hope it helps.